welcome back to Nightwing Chinese. It's Mia. Well, finally a non-rainy day during the plum rain season. 7 p.m. now, out, and in a company of cicada buzzing, let's start today's episode. Today, let's learn numbers 1 to 10 in Chinese language. Okay, part 1. This is for absolute beginners. I'm going to show you how to pronounce 1 to 10 in Chinese language in slow speed. So try to repeat after me. 1, 一 2, 二 3, 三 4, 四 5, 五 Got it? Okay, let's try speeding up a little bit. 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 Let's continue. 6 6 7 8 9 10 10 Great. Then speed up. 6 7 8 9 10 10 9 8 7 6 Excellent. Okay, part 2. I'm going to talk about how to read numbers with many digits, such as phone numbers or parcel collecting codes. In China, mobile phone numbers have 11 digits, so usually you can divide them into groups of 3 or 4 or 5 digits. For example, such a number, turn on subtitles by the way, I'm gonna read it as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 or 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 Both okay. As for parcel collection codes, it usually goes like something like 1 hyphen 1 hyphen 1 2 3 4, like that. So this hyphen-ish thing, this little horizontal stroke, we will read as 杠 杠. So I'll read it as 1 杠 1杠 1 2 3 4 1杠 1杠 1 2 3 4 Alright, that's all for today's episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'll catch you only next one. Bye-bye.